Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Steve brought his CVO down from Connecticut. I guess he's been listening to you guys on the forums, and he went and bought an amp that was way more than what he needed. Before talking to me, he's got an evox 2400.4, only running 4 speakers. So we did a 2404 and a 404. We got Diamond Audio MP654 in the fairing, Diamond Audio MP694 in the saddlebag lids. This is way more power than this bike needs, but it sounds great. It sounds amazing. We could have did the same thing with 2 800s, but we got a 2404 in there, a 400.4. This is a 4-speaker bike, and it sounds incredible. Way more power than he needs. We're going to be running a set of 8s in a few weeks. He's going to bring it back. He's going to make the trip back down from Connecticut again. We're going to add some Hertz 200L mid-bass drivers and an 800.4. We're going to try and keep everything in the fairing, or we might swap it up and do a 1204, an 804, and a 404. But regardless, the bike sounds really good. It's a 4-speaker bike with a 2400 watt amp to run 4 speakers. But sounds great.
Here's my key, philosophy. A freak like me just needs infinity. Relax. Take your time.
Take your time to trust in me, and you will find infinity, infinity.
that actually chose not to go with the MP654s, so we did the Diamond MO75 horns in the grills and the MS Pros 6.5, MP694 in the lids. Factory lock assembly still works, so the power locks still work. So now the bags are locked, can't open them, unlocked. Great sounding bike.
Sit by myself, talking to them. Pull up, let's get more time. Pull up, let's get more time. Pull up, let's get more time. Sit by myself, talking to them. Pull up, let's get more time. 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 Ooh, yeah, come for this move. Put on for certain, yeah, cause of the move. You come like sunshine, yeah, come with the moon. Baby, go fast, so fine, might give her the wood. Come for this move. Put on for certain, yeah, cause of the move. You come like sunshine.
Jumping on a trampoline, flipping in the air. I never land, just flew there. As I'm looking up, suddenly the sky erupts. Flames alight the trees, spread to fallen leaves. Now they're fire upon me. Wait if I won't fight. How am I so deep in love when I dream of dying? I never feel so young. I've been having tripping and falling.